Hello everyone,
Namaste dosto.
my name is Hardik.
And I am Gabi.
Welcome to the Spicy Masala YouTube channel.
And in today's video we would like to give you an honest and not sponsored review of our premium stay in Zadar.
Let's go!
Okay guys, so as you have seen, we rented a place with a jacuzzi bath. It's gonna be a very pleasant stay for us and we can relax a little bit more in the evening. We will accompany it with some groceries, so maybe we can have a charcuterie or some flowers to have a nice ambience.
And candles.
Anyway, this apartment's rent is about 160 euro per night. That's the price we got it for. It may vary on the season, I think.
Yes.
But that's what we paid at the moment.
As far as going to summer is going more costly, like 200-250. So check before you book.
It's available on booking.com.
Yes, we booked from
and
booking.com.
That's how we found it. Their rating is 9.2 stars out of the reviews. So quite good.
Yes.
Very good.
So what do you say? We should to pay for, like, it's affordable to have 160 euro?
You can comment.
Please comment in down, guys, if you will be here and you are willing to pay for that jacuzzi.
It is a 4-star accommodation place. They have a check-in desk and some sort of cleaning service going around. Also, there is a person who can help you anytime at the desk available.
Yes.
You also get the number.
You have Wi-Fi.
And constant contact.
Fridge,
they provide
everything.
Yes, mini fridge, Wi-Fi, air conditioning,
hair dryers and all toiletries.
Yes, really
even face wash, shower gel, everything you get here.
Yes, full supplied amenities. We have access to a shower where is a big mirror and also small makeup mirror. They supplied with I think 3 rolls of toilet paper is enough for our 2-night stay. And
That's it.
The mini fridge is equipped with some drinks and also milk for the coffee.
And also water, 2 bottles.
Yes, we also got some mini bar with like tea and coffee. And I think we have a kettle, or we have a coffee. We have a small coffee express. There is a plenty of room for luggage and storage. They provide also single-use sort of home sleepers and ironing board, iron, many glasses for your drinks. Wardrobe is equipped with hangers.
And bed is really looks comfy and nice.
Equipped with many pillows,
yes.
So you can sleep as high as you like.
And they have, in Croatia, I found out really nice, they have air conditioner.
Yes, every place have air conditioning, so and here is no different.
That seems it's really hot country.
Here air conditioning is powered with a remote. You can switch the modes, temperature, start it
auto,
and stop
and
it.
Everything.
Yes, from your bed or from jacuzzi, you don't have to get up, and that's awesome. We also have a room card. We are staying in a room number 2 at the moment, and we really love it. We were thinking it's going to be responsible for power, but apparently when you remove it, the power is still on. Or maybe not.
It's going, but in a while. Yes. So in another hotels, they have also the key card, and you just remove in, you must wait 5 seconds something, I guess, and lights are off. So you don't need to be worried. Whenever you came, you just chip, you have lights, AC run, perfect.
They provide as well all the towels, so we didn't have to bring it, and some toiletries, which look really, really nice and premium.
Yes. So according to me, it's really like a 4-star, or we can call it 5-star hotel. Perfect with everything. You just
really
need to just came.
Really nice. And what is also the best part is that it's really close to the city center, where are all the attractions, and further the beach. I think it's about 20 minutes from the beach. 10 minutes
by walk.
10 minutes by walk to the beach?
Yes.
You see, it's really, really close.
10 minutes and you are there.
Attractions.
And you don't need nothing to bring. You just came with your clothes. You get everything here.
Yes. Let us show you the shower a little bit more, and then we can test the jacuzzi. As you see, here is the toilet and shower. Really nice and spacious mirror, and a small makeup nook as well. Here we can get an extra light for the better view, and that's what we've got. Some hair and body wash, argan source, glass for water,
body lotion,
and body lotion.
Tour guide is ready for jacuzzi. Be careful for that shower.
Yeah.
Because if shower goes on you, it's done.
That's the shower. It works.
Okay, that's filling now. Water. And what is this too?
I'm sorry. I think it's the bubble regulation.
Okay.
Give us a minute, let it fill up, and we'll be back to you shortly.
A few moments later.
Here we have our jacuzzi ready.
Yay! And we are about to show
Let's
you.
show you magic. Ta-da, ta-da.
All the magic.
And here we go.
You need to keep it good. Yay!
Then we put this little.
That's very loud one.
Then we put like this. And it's bubbly, jiggly, 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 bubbly, jiggly.
So this will be our evening today. For now we are going to explore Zadar a little bit more, and we hope you will enjoy that vlog. So please check it out.
Check that one.
It's already on our channel.
It's automatic.
Temperature regulation. They make sure that you never run out hot water.
Yes.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you will choose this place for your next stay in Zadar.
Or something similar.
As it's really, really amazing. And this one is in a very good price with a very nice and always in contact host.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Share with your friends and family, like this video, and let us
share.
know your thoughts in the comments.